Kaya sasabihin natin ngayon, when we make plan, magkakaroon tayo ng allowance. Maglalagay tayo ng space. Huwag natin sasabihin na kontrolado na natin ang sitwasyon. Basta ganitong petsa, sigurado, makikita tayo dito. No. Hindi natin pwede sabihin. Lagi natin sasabihin is this. If it's the Lord will, we will live and do this or that. Ito po ang beauty ng verse na ito. Meron siyang secret. Ito po yung secret eh. Itong number 4, ito yung secret recipe. Pag may plano tayo, we connect, we submit our plan to the Lord and say, sabihin natin, if it's the Lord's will, next year sana makaka-baby na kami. If the Lord's will, next year we will open up a business. If it's the Lord's will, we will transfer. If it's the Lord's will, we will have our anniversary. Ganyan po ang ating magiging pamantayan sa buhay. Maglalagay tayo ng espasyo. No? If it's the Lord's will, we will go to Disneyland next year. If it's the Lord's will, we will have a vacation. No? Bakit? Kasi hindi daw po natin sigurado